This video is for all my Southern girls who are going to be hot and humid this summer and don't want to sweat off all their makeup. We're starting on clean prepped skin, and I'm adding a clear sunscreen with an SPF 40. Zero white cast, so it's perfect for all of our skin tones. Instantly absorbs, it's hypoallergenic, no oil, and super lightweight, and makes a perfect primer for makeup. It's also water and sweat resistant, and it's the only one I can wear under and above my eyes, and it won't make my eyes water. Products are in the top pinned comment. Now you need a high quality setting spray. Now you're going to grab your beauty blender and you're going to give it 1, 2, 3, 4 squirts. Now squirt some of your foundation out. Dip your beauty blender into the makeup. Once you've got a good bit on there, go ahead and start applying. And this is going to set your makeup as you apply it. And as long as you're not using too much makeup, it's going to prevent it from creasing up. And I adore this brand because they have a patent on the cooling formula that keeps your makeup from melting through even the most intense heat and moisture. This setting spray forms a lightweight, breathable web that works with your makeup that slowly releases over 16 hours. Now, let that dry, then grab your concealer. Now you can spray your brush with the setting spray directly, or you can spray your concealer, give it a little mix, and then apply it under your eyes. This is going to thin out your concealer, and it's also going to set it in place at the same time. Once I've got that in place, I have to stop. I don't want to overfool with this. So tap it in place, leave it alone, get a clean, dry brush, and very lightly blend where you need to. Now, if you're oily, Skindinavia has an entire oil control line as well. And if you get on their website or on Amazon and realize that they have a primer spray, the answer is yes. Yes, it's amazing. Now, I'm just adding a little bit of powder to my nose to hide those pores. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the final step, which is just to take my Skindinavia and spray it all over from every direction, all over my face. Once that's dry, you are literally ready to do anything that you want to do outside. I'm not saying it's not going to be hot because it's the South, but your makeup does not have to move, at least until you want it to. Thanks for watching.